In this video, I'll show you how you can recover your lost access in Roblox with your Authenticator. Now first you want to head over to Roblox and we want to contact our support. So simply type roblox.com/support. You're going to come to this page. From in here you're going to fill in your information, choose where you're from or what you're on. I'm on PC. And from in here you're going to do account hacked or can't log in. And in here, you're gonna do two-step verification. Then what you wanna do is tell them that you don't have access to your verification anymore and you cannot log in. And they should contact you on your email address. And then simply all you have to do is wait and be patient. Usually Roblox responds pretty fast, so give it a few days. If they don't respond within a few days, you can try and do it again. Now I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.